Hi everyone, welcome to HExcelprop Marketing Service Private Limited. So I wanted to just explain you 1 BHK apartment, the floor plan, the unit plan, what I've seen. We are talking about sold at Godrej Ananda, available in Tower H. Carpet area is roughly somewhere 417 or 415 square feet, excluding balcony utility space area. Let me show you first. We have entered. This is the living area, balcony. This is dining, balcony, and the open kitchen and utility space. So this is actually a 2 BHK which we are looking at. It's a Jodi apartment. So one bedroom there and one bedroom here. So I'm trying to explain you how 1 BHK will look like. Living area, dining, kitchen, and utility space, balcony, everything is same. So in bedroom, what happens? So you will have one bedroom, but there will not be an attached washroom to your 1 BHK. In 1 BHK, I'm trying to explain you everyone. Please don't get confused. So what happens? You will have a separate, the common bathroom. They have given a common wash basin. They have given a common washroom. These three things they have separated and with different walls. The price starts from 49.99 lakhs. So whatever I understood about 1 BHK plan, so I explained to you. For further details, you can contact us if you have any confusion, so that I'll be sharing it with you, the actual layout plan we have, so that you'll get an idea about the unit and the plan. Right? That's it. Thank you so much for watching us, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. Stay safe.